Why do I prefer taking my Mac Mini M4 with me instead of a MacBook when I work on the go? There are two main reasons. First, I don't like switching back and forth between two computers. The Mac Mini is my primary workstation, and it stores a large number of my local files. If I switch to the MacBook, I often need to sync my files again, or spend time looking for the files I need. The second reason is performance. I've gotten used to the speed of Mac Mini M4. Whether it's the MacBook Neo or the MacBook Air, there's still a noticeable performance gap, and the MacBook Pro with similar performance costs significantly more. So for someone like me with a limited budget who also doesn't like switching between multiple devices, the Mac Mini actually fits my workflow much better. But it also has one obvious drawback. It doesn't come with a display. Previously, I shared setups using both an iPad and XR glasses as displays for the Mac Mini. However, many viewers told me they still prefer the experience of using a traditional monitor. So this time I want to share another portable Mac Mini setup. I've been using this UPERFECT 13.3-inch 4K OLED Portable Monitor. The 13.3-inch size doesn't take up too much space in my backpack, while still giving me a full-size display to work on. Whenever I head out, I simply connect my Mac Mini, towel cable, mouse, and a keyboard into the carrying case. Then bring this portable monitor, along with a full-featured USB-C cable, and the entire setup is ready to go. So, can this setup actually replace a MacBook and become a proper solution for working on the go? Today, I'm going to put it to the test. First, setting it up is incredibly simple. One of my favorite things about it is that I don't need to carry a lot of cables. All I need is the included full-featured USB-C cable, which handles both power delivery and video output at the same time, without requiring any drivers. It's usually recognized within just a few seconds after plugging it in. If your device doesn't support video output over USB-C, it also includes a mini HDMI port. Whether you are connecting it to a Mac Mini, MacBook, or Windows computer, or another device that supports video output, the setup is very convenient. Most of the time, I simply place it on the desk, connect it to my Mac Mini, and I'm ready to start working in less than a minute. For me, the most important part of any monitor is the display quality. Even though it's only 13.3 inches, it features a 4K resolution, giving it an incredible high pixel density. When I'm writing scripts, even small text still looks very sharp, whether I'm browsing the web, replying to emails, or working with Excel spreadsheets. It's comfortable enough to use for long periods without feeling strained. If you spend a lot of time reading documents, I think a high-resolution display makes a noticeable difference. For me, the biggest advantage of OLED isn't just more vibrant colors. It's the true blacks and much higher contrast, especially when I'm using macOS in dark mode. The black background almost blends into the bedroom, making the overall view experience feel much cleaner. When I'm editing videos, it's also much easier to see details in darker scenes. When watching HBR content, highlights and shadows have much better separation and depth. If you regularly edit photos or videos, or frequently watch movies and shows, the benefits of OLED are quite noticeable. It also supports HBR and covers 109% of the BCI P3 color gamut. So, if you regularly edit photos or videos, the colors look much closer to the final result. Another thing I really like is this size. Many portable monitors are 15.6 inches, which can be more comfortable to use, but they also become heavier and bulkier. The monitor weighs only around 475 grams, and it's as thin as about 3 millimeters. At its thinnest point, once it's inside my backpack, I barely notice the actual weight. For someone who works on the go regularly, I think that's very important than having a slightly larger screen. Besides using it with my Mac Mini, I also connect it to my MacBook. Again, all it takes is a single full-featured USB-C cable for both power and video. However, there is one thing you need to keep in mind. First, open System Settings on your MacBook, go to Displays, then open Arrangement, and arrange the displays based on how they are physically positioned on your desk. Then adjust the screen position accordingly. After that, I can easily drag windows from my MacBook onto the external display. When I'm editing videos, I keep the timeline and media files on one screen and a preview window on the other. Or I write a script on one display while researching on the other. Compared to constantly switching between windows, a dual-screen setup definitely makes me more productive. So even if you're already using a MacBook, I think it works really well as a portable second display. It can also be used as an external display for an iPad, with both power and video transmitted directly from the iPad through a single USB-C cable. It can even be used as an external display for an iPhone. Unfortunately, the iPhone cannot provide enough power for the monitor, so you'll need to connect an additional power cable. Once connected, your iPhone screen can be displayed on this 13.3-inch portable monitor, making it much more convenient for watching videos or doing some work done. Of course, this setup isn't meant to completely replace the MacBook. You often need to open your computer and start watching immediately. The MacBook is still the more convenient choice. But if you're like me and prefer sticking to the same computer while still being able to take your entire workspace with you, then pairing a Mac Mini with a portable monitor is definitely a setup worth considering. After using it for a while, I find myself thinking less and less about whether I should bring my Mac Mini or my MacBook. With this monitor, the Mac Mini is now capable of handling almost everything I need for watching on the go. It not only lets me keep my familiar desktop workflow, but also gives me a great second display whenever I'm using my MacBook. If you're looking for a portable monitor, I hope this video gives you a useful point of reference. I've left the product link in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested.